Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving another LeetCode problem, that is 2110, number of smooth descent period of a stock. Before jumping into the solution, I would highly recommend you should read the problem statement on your own and give at least 15 to 30 minutes before jumping into the solution. So let's get right into it. What problem is asking? That you need to give the number of smooth descent periods. What does problem mean by descent period is, let's plot these points over here. This is 3, this is 2, this would be 1, and again 4. So this is the smooth descent. Smooth descent means when you decrease by 1. Here 3 to 2, it's called a smooth descent. 2 to 1, it is also called a smooth descent. 3 to 2 is also a smooth descent. 2 to 1 is also a smooth descent, and 3 to 1 is also a smooth descent. And also you are given that this starting one is also a smooth descent, and also the single values, for example 2 1 4, are also smooth descent. So this much is clear. Let me write over here 3 2 1 4. So we have these 7 smooth descent. So this much should be clear, that what problem is asking, that you need to give number of smooth descent. And you know what is smooth descent? Decrease by 1, that is smooth descent, and we have to give the number of smooth descent. So how we gonna do it? One thing should be clear cut in our mind, that 4 is one thing that is by default. We do not have to waste our energy on counting these 4. Am I right or not? 3 2 1 4. What is this? This is the size of array. The real problem lies is counting these 3 2 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 2 1 3 2 1. So what we gonna use? Which algorithm we should use? Which algorithm? There is continuity also, as you can see, 3 2 1 3 2 2 1 and 3 2 1. There is continuity. 3 2 1. These are also continuous substring. Also, whenever there is a continuous substring, what should click in our mind? Sliding window. Yeah, but this time this is sliding window. We can do it like sliding window using start and end, but this time I am introducing something other, something new. What is this? Is what we do is, we will start our count from here, not count our iteration from here. I would be here. This is smaller, not smaller. This difference is 1, I guess. This is 1. So what we do? If this is 1, we have a temp variable, we do plus plus, and we add something like this to add to our answer, the answer. So what we do is, this time plus 1 is added, and again when this time when I is over here, the difference is 1. Yeah, it is 2 minus 1 1. Let me write over here, difference is 1. Also difference was also here 1. What we do? Temp plus plus. Previously temp was 1, now it plus plus to 2. Again we add it, we this time add plus 2. How much is this? 3. And how much is this? 4. If we add this, we get 7. This is clear what we are doing. Let me again repeat it. 3 2 1 4. We start from here and we check, do we have a difference of 1? Yeah, we have a difference of 1. What we do, we increase temp plus plus. Temp was 0 initially, now it's to 1. And what we do, answer plus temp. In answer plus temp, what we do, we just add the temp. Here it is 1, currently 1. Again, when we go over here, what we do, again check, the difference is 1. Yeah, it is. What we do, increase the temp. Now it's 2. Add the temp. Now plus 2. Plus 2. That's it. Now when we go over here, when I is over here, how much is the difference? 3. What we do, what is the ideal thing that we should do? In the sliding window, if the window is disrupted, if the flow of the substring is disrupted, then we should count this or not? No, we shouldn't count this. So what we do, we get to temp to 0. Sorry, temp to 0. Again, temp is now at 0. And we are out of loop. If something like this, if we update this test case only, if there was something like this. So up till now, we have calculated, what was our answer? 3. But do we require this 1 4? 1 4? No. 1 4 will not fetch something. So what we do? Temp. If I was here, temp is now 0. Temp is now this. Let me write over here again, temp plus plus and answer. Temp is now 0 when I is over 4. Again, when we iterate, now we are at 5. Do we have 1? Yeah, we have. What we do? Plus 1. What we do? We add in the answer. Answer was 1 plus 2. Again plus 1. 4. And how many we have over here is 2 3 1 4 5. It's 5 9. 9 balanced, not balanced. What was it? Smooth descent period. So this much is clear. We can use start and end, but I just showed you the way. It is something like how long you can go, how much length you can go, and we keep on adding it. This was the max length we did go. You can see for yourself what we did when we first did this. We made the pair 3 2. When we did this, we made the pair 2 1. When we were here, let me write it again, 3 2 1. For the very first time we made this pair, we did plus 1. Okay, but when we were here, we did plus 2. Why? To answer your why, see, now previous 3 2 is extended to 3 2 1 now, and we have another one is also 2 1. That's why we added 2. You see the 2 new smooth descent period. First it was 3 2, now it's extended to 3 2 1. So it should also be counted, and also this new period 2 1. So that's why plus 2. Plus 1 for before 3 2 1. This converted to this, and again a new appeared is 2 1. So how many 0? Not 1 2 3. 3 smooth descendant path. So it is something new. You may feel hard to wrap your head around, but I have explained it quite again and again. So I hope if it is not still clear, You can use pen and paper, it is recommended. So algo is not anything much. Algo is same thing what we do, iterate and check if previous, I'm calling previous with I minus 1, you can do it, minus current is I is equals to 1, what we do, temp plus plus, and also answer plus to temp. If it is not, else what we do, what should we do, temp is equals to 0 because it's no longer a full length of string 3 2 1. If we add 4, does it make sense? No. So streak is reset over here, temp is again 0, so that's why we did it. Let me try run it for you again for the third or fifth time. 3214, this is the test case. 3214, we will start from I is equals to 1 for obvious reason. We will get out of bound if we start from 0. Is it is equals to 1 difference? Previous, this is I minus 1, this is I, difference is 1. Yeah, what should we do? Temp is 0, now temp is 1, answer plus is equals to temp, so answer is now 1. Again I is over here, I minus 1 is here, is this, is it 1? Yeah, it is 1. What we should do? Again temp is 2, we do temp plus 1, this is 2. This much is good. When we are at 4, this is I minus 1, is it 1? No. And after that we got out of the loop because I cannot be go further, and also when this happened, temp goes down to 0. This is we get, and at last what we do before returning, answer plus the array dot size. Why array dot size? Because I already told that these are trivial things to count. What should be counted is this one. So array dot size should be added in the answer and you just return it. Let's see the code. Code is simple, long because we have to return long. Answer and temp as discussed, we will start iterating from 1. If the difference is 1, as you can see, price I minus 1 minus price I is equals to 1. So what we do, increase the temp, answer plus equal to temp. Else what we do, if our streak is not able to continue, what streak? The streak of difference 1. So what we do, we reset the temp and again we keep on iterating. After we get out of the loop, what we do answer. Before returning it, we do answer plus price. What is price? The given price is dot size, also explain why, and we return it. Let's submit it and see if it is running or not. Yeah, it is running. I hope I was able to make my intuition pretty much clear, and it's kind of new way of counting in sliding window domain. That's why I did this question. So if I was able to make your problem solving better, or if I was able to make something useful added to your problem solving skill set, so please consider subscribing to this channel and also liking this video. So in the end, you have to do what you have to do, so keep grinding. You guys are awesome. See you in the next one. Bye bye.